have a Rheem heat pump. It has a leak. We're going to try to find it. I have the detector warming up. Unit had a compressor put in last fall, and first thing I noticed was we have two dryers. I guess I didn't want to try to cut that thing out in there. But let's see what we can find. Wow. Turn down the sensitivity. Give it a breath of fresh air and try again. If it's under that accumulator. Put it on the lowest sensitivity. I'm gonna go get some bubble stuff. I get a reading there at the old dryer too. Looks like they heated it up to try to take it out. So maybe they've burned a little hole in it there. We'll see. Oh, okay, I'm over in Johnson City looking for a leak here. So it's something I come in after I talked to you a minute ago, so I'm gonna mess with it. I think I just found the leak, so I will. Okay, I sure will, Don. Thank you. Bye. It's definitely in the dryer, and it don't need to be there anyway, or maybe I should take the new one they put in out and put one back where the factory one was. I don't know. Kind of weird with this old receiver charge compensator tank, whatever it's called. But either way, it needs to be fixed. Try to make a little room to get down in here. Tight spot. See why they didn't replace the dryer now, huh? Recovery unit up and running. Had 5 pounds and 11 ounces in it. I pulled it down to within a couple of psi so that I wouldn't suck any air in the leak. So I think the unit charge is about 8 pounds, 200 ounces. Okay, I'm going to take my little midget cutter and go down in there and see if I can get the old one hacked out of there. Well, it's out anyway. Okay guys, I got the little pieces sweated off. I just took this loose, the clamp loose, and pulled it up here so I could get to it. There's so much crap in the bottom of this thing and all the oil kept catching on fire. But what I did down here was just pulled the nipple out of the T after I cut the dryer out. So I'll just make me up a short piece of copper, swage it up on this end to go up with that, stick it up in that fitting down there, and then I'll replace this dryer out here with a new one. So well, we have a piece of pipe where the first dryer was, and a piece of pipe and a dryer where the second dryer was, and we got all kind of extra old dryers left over. So we're going to pressure test and then pull it. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not. We got a pressure test on it. Sprayed everything down with leak detector. Don't see anything, at least where I've been working. I'm always afraid there's a second leak somewhere. Well, my little camera died. The battery anyway. So I'm pulling a vacuum. I'm going to let it run a little while before I hook my gauge up to it. It held a pressure test, so I'm not expecting any problems. She has natural gas. She said had she known, she would have probably went ahead and put in a furnace, an air conditioner, when the compressor went out last year. All buttoned up. It actually warmed up enough to check it in air conditioning, so that was nice.